Rochester. Outside row number 2, Shane Houston in the 88. Starting on the outside of the front row in the 26 is Tina McMillan, sponsored by Having Fun Stitching and BobSleds.com. 84 of Brian Hecker. A better deal out of Tina McMillan. Charge out in front as they make their way down the back stretch. Hector backing up right now, but he's got a challenge from Houston on the outside. 4 seconds. Tina McMillan's going to that's like trucking out. Good field to be Hector and Houston continue their side-by-side battle for second as they come off of turn number 4 to cross the line. Elford and Jackson advantage, and now Houston will move out in front of Houston, but Houston leaves it open on the bottom for Belters. Now Belter moves up alongside Houston, tries to make that second move work for him. Right now, Kyle Matthews now finds himself up in the 5th spot as he's keeping an eye on the side-by-side going on, and Matthews now is slowed down to pull down to the infield. Just as Kyle Matthews is making his presence felt, he pulls the infield, and Shane Houston waves the field by. So Shane Houston blows it up in 1 and 2, waves the field by on the bottom. And now the single file with Tina McMillan leading the way 5 laps. Ryan Hector goes in on McMillan. Belter holding a strong bird. Hector trying to move up out of turn number 4 with some momentum, but he opens the door and then comes down. I don't think that Hector realized that Belter had moved up underneath it and moved down on Belter right at the line. Belter kept up. And out at turn number 4 to take the white flag, the 26 of Tina McMillan. McMillan followed by Hector and then Belter. That is your side 3. And introducing himself to the rubble skippers as well. Franks. Single file out of turn number 4. Tina McMillan will be the winner this first of 2 heat races for the DNS Light Truck and Auto Mini Stocks. Tina was followed by the 84 Brian Hector. 17 to 17 a Wild Bill Hayes. And starting on the pole for this event in the 6 car, sponsored by Dow Jones Racing and Race Car Renovations, Zach Dalrymple. Wild Bill Hayes off to a great start as he moved to 1 and 2 and was able to pull up in front of LaPlante. 2010 champion John Bagley trying to make a run on the outside with Freeman Pruden, but most of the win last year. Like trucking auto mini stocks. Bill Hayes right now, Gary LaPlante able to separate themselves from the field. Bagley right now making a move onto the outside of Dalrymple. So John Bagley looking to move up into the first spot. As well as Scott Maynard. Good Benjamin. Scott Maynard both trying to work that outside line. Now they go around Dalrymple. Maynard up into 4th. Pulling right up onto the rear bumper of Bill Hayes, Jerry LaPlante, and John Bagley is on the go. John Bagley closes in on those front 2 quickly. So once Bagley was able to clear himself up the field, he was made up ground with no problem at all. Scott Maynard coming along as well. As the field now has gone single file to front to back. Bill Hayes goes over halfway through this last race. John Bagley now has joined the front 2 of Bill Hayes and LaPlante. LaPlante knows that he's got the 2010 champion in his ear, so he's trying to make a go of it. He gets down on the rubble strips. Trouble as they come together. Bill Hayes and Jerry LaPlante. LaPlante tried to get down to the bottom. He got squeezed by Bill Hayes down onto the rumble strips. LaPlante came back up onto the track, up over the left front of Bill Hayes. He was at the end of the season. He is back out in front. John Bagley, Scott Maynard, Kurt Benjamin, Dwayne Lacey are your top four. Green flag flies. Lacey trying to make a move to the inside of Benjamin, but Benjamin's able to drive it in deep, where Lacey had to check up entering turn number 3. John Bagley as they work their way off at turn number 2 down the backstretch. Maynard taking a look to the outside of Bagley. Bagley's going to hug the bottom as they come off at turn number 4. John Bagley, Maynard trying to make a run onto the outside. Bagley's going to hold them off. Scott Maynard will have to settle for second in heat race number 2 of the DNS Light Truck and Auto Mini Stock. Benjamin comes in full third. Then we find Dwayne Lacey in the 14 car finishing 4th, and then we've got Dennis